What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome back to Naked Crypto. So on today's video, I'm just going to do an update on the price of Bitcoin. So if this one would be our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And we're expecting now a possible correction, which is possibly a zigzag. Right now also, it's creating a rising expanding wedge, which is a bearish pattern. So let's see if we can see the price go down here, somewhere here at 22,539, which is actually the neckline for the head and shoulders pattern. So let's see about that, guys. And our bullish scenario, though, I see this descending wedge. So this could be your A, B, C, D, E. So let's see, guys. But right now, I see a descending channel here. So let's see if it will pop up. Possible price to reach is 25,000. So okay, guys. So if you find this video informative, if you can give me a thumbs up, and I see you on the next video update. For now, plan your trade, trade your plan. This is Michael of Naked Crypto. Much love. Trade with passion. Later.